Next steps. What I would really like to do next is create the cover letter. Oh, heck. You didn't tell me I spelled accessible wrong. I hope that's right now. All right. QR code generator. You'll see the one that I've been using. It's going to be the previously clicked link. I don't recommend any certain one. I think they're all probably a little bit risky because anytime you download something from the internet, you risk getting a virus. But I've been using this one, qr-code-generator.com. Hasn't failed me yet. And I have 2 steps for this. So first, I need to grab the link for this video, which is why you need to wait until it's uploaded to get to this step. Bum, 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 bum. All right, right here. Copy this link. And then I pop it over into my QR code generator right here. Paste. And I like this one that says scan me, just in case anyone is not sure what the process is with a QR code generator. And the next thing that I do, this is my cover letter template, where obviously I've scrubbed my personal info. What I want to do is paste. And I'm trying to just get this aligned. I actually don't need this to be as big, but I do want it to be blue because I do like this color. But I want it to fit nicely with my QR code scanner. So the next step is I go to the color and I hit plus so that I can get the color code. I don't really know what else to call this. Copy and paste it. Mine is hashtag or whatever pound 1A409A. Copy it. And I place that into this website's QR code generator color wheel so that everything is matchy-matchy. Perfect. And I download it. I don't want to make an account, please and thank you. It's usually called frame something when I download it. And my nose is itching. Ugh. I've got the winter sniffles, y'all. I'm really sorry for drawing attention to that because maybe you heard it and maybe now you will hear it. So I'm so sorry. I need it to download. Customize. Ah. All right, but do you know what else I've done? Because this scanner is actually, this right here on my screen is actually exactly what is going to download. I can also just screenshot it. So on my PC, I do print screen, pop back over here. Well, actually, maybe I'll play with it in the script box just because I'll have more space. Paste. Oh, that's a good zoom screenshot. Crop that. You can double click or right click and crop on over to the edges of the scanner. Boom. I also like to set it to be one of these that are a little bit more mobile. I guess for the stock, I'll do it like that. How about that one? Yeah, that's cute. Scan me. All right, and copy it. And I paste it into my cover letter. Paste. And you'll notice it's the same exact blue, which is important to me. And da, da, da. I guess I'll do that one. How can I? Maybe I'll put that over there. Enter. We're formatting live. Oh, crud. Okay, that's fine. I just didn't want to delete any part of that link. Oh, I did it again. And I want to hit remove hyperlink because I liked it the color it was and I don't want it to be underlined. And perfect. So now I have this guy. Where's the edge? Where's the edge? 1 and 2. Perfect. All right, that's exactly what I'm going for. Normally, I'll add in my personal contact info, like my mailing address and my phone number. I'll add in what the job title is and the organization slash school slash employer name. I'll also add that into this first paragraph here. And then I save my one-page doc as a PDF. And that's how I get the cover letter going. So now, let me see. Right now, my video is currently unlisted. The link should not change once I change it to a public video, but for practice, I've got my phone right here, and I'm going to scan it just to make sure it goes to the right spot. All right, opening up YouTube, and what do we get? That's me. Okay, so QR code, check.